Friends, I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. And although we are passing a critical moment, but it is not wise for us to waste our time, but we should use our time properly. Today, I will present you a class, though it is are included in our textbook, but in our examination, that means in our SSC exam, the question does not come. But it is very important because the lesson is about time and it is a poem. Although we are not habituated with the poems which are in our textbook, but as it is related to our time, so I am going to discuss it before you in a brief. And it is, the name of the lesson is Time, You Old Gypsy Man. Time, You Old Gypsy Man. Time, You Old Gypsy Man. Time, You Old Gypsy Man by Ralph Hodgson. Here the poet compared time with a gypsy man. And what kind of gypsy man? With an old gypsy man. And his poem, he started, Time, you old gypsy man, will you not stay? Put up your caravan just for a day. He offered time so many things to stop. But you know, all things are valuable, but time is most valuable. And time is such a wealth which is not irreparable. If it lost forever. Time teaches us many things. We suffer much in our life. I think sometimes only wasting of time. So, the men who are our example, they used their time properly and they became famous. They did marvelous thing for our mankind. I think you know about Sheikh Sadi. He was a poet of Iran and he used his time in such a way. If we search his lifetime and his writing, it is in comparison. Every day he wrote 24 pages. But we cannot read every day 24 pages. Can you think how many pages every day we read? But he wrote every day new things. 24 pages. So it is clear how he used his time. Time, to stop time, the poet offered him for only moment. He offered the most valuable things and which are used for very dignifying for a man, and after describing his poem, the poet said in last para, last week in Babylon, last time in Rome. Morning and in the crush under Paul's doom. So he showed how much speedily the time passes. Whenever we utter a word, it passed away. And you remember in your mind, every single moment is very valuable. Because moment, second, minute, hour, days, year, in this way the total time is our life. And we should not keep away our duties, our studies for future. You don't know the time which you are expecting to come. It may come or not. So, like dull and little voices and unconscious people, we who are related in the studies, especially you, the students, always use your time properly. You will be great if you use your time in good deed. And we should not think only for ourselves, but we have to think for all the mankind. And not only for present, but we should think for our future generation. Man cannot live by his age, but we live by our deeds. The man is he who is success. If I ask you, who is a successful man? First answer is a man who used his time properly. Then a man who is remembered, who will be remembered after his death for his good deed. He is a successful man. And all kind of success depends on the best usage of time. So the poet Ralph Hawthorne only shows us how time passes, and for seeing his speedy passing, he also called the time compared with the blind, because a blind man cannot see which is wealthy, which is valuable, and which is worthless. Time is in such kind of thing which is not considered a king or a beggar. Time is same to the king and to beggar. So, if the beggar uses time properly and do his duties in time, he may turn his life. On the other hand, if a king pass away his life, that means idle away his time and don't do their duties properly, he will turn into a beggar and lost his kingdom within few months, few years, and finally he will repent for his lost time. So, from the lesson Time You World of Cement, the Rav also compared time with a sweet little girl. Why? A little girl, and that means especially sweet little girls are attractive and people rush to her, but sometimes he is passed away, sometimes he is hustled away. So, most of the lovers, most of the seekers become failed. In this way, if we try to catch the time, try to use the time properly, then everything will come to us. We need not to rush towards our worldly things, but our life become glorious and we also become famous, and finally I can say time is the root of all happiness. Time is the key factor of our glorious future. So, my dear learners, remember in your mind, we should always think about our time and do our duty timely. Thank you, and be prepared your next class.